Within each one of us, deep in our heart, there is a dream to grow big, a dream to make this world a better place. You can achieve anything you dream of. All it takes is consistent actions and right mentor. Welcome to Jumpstart Your Day, an action oriented podcast by Nirupama Vyas that will add energy and fun in your life to achieve your dreams.
Hey wonderful you, it's Nirupama Vyas, author of the upcoming book Determined Dragon Says. This is episode number 17 in the brand new podcast Jumpstart Your Day. People, yesterday we had spoken about some of the reasons that because of which people fail to stand up for their own selves. Today we'll be talking about what are the small changes that you can bring in your life that will help you to stand up for your own self. The most important thing that is required to take a stand for yourself is to have confidence in yourself. People, when you do not have confidence in yourself, you become an easy target for everyone around you. So today, learn a new skill. Repeat some of the positive affirmations like I am smart, I'm confident, I am strong. If you require, please write these affirmations on and on till you start believing in that. Next, you can start setting some goals for your own self. Whenever you have some goals, it gives you a sense of purpose. It makes you have a control over your own destiny. So set an ambitious, though achievable goal. It could be getting a promotion in your work. It could be running a half marathon. It could be losing your weight. Set some goal for yourself. And then develop a positive attitude. People, it is this attitude that makes other people perceive us and even how we see our own self. So this attitude comprises of the tone of your voice, the quality of thoughts that you have, the facial expressions, the body language that you have. Imagine a person who's bubbly, happy, bright, and see another person who is sad, pessimistic, dull. Which is the person who's going to attract the maximum people? Of course, the first one. At all times, we are either affecting people around us or infecting them. And remember, people prefer to hang around those people who make them feel good about themselves. So today, make a choice. What do you want to do? We'll be talking about more on this topic in the coming episodes. Till then, have an awesome day ahead because you are awesome. Be true to yourself and life will never fail you. So what are you waiting for? Own up your greatness and soar high because the world needs that special you.
You have been listening to Jumpstart Your Day by Nirupama Vyas, author of the upcoming book Determined Dragon Says. Hope this podcast inspired you to get closer to your dreams. Please join us again for another episode of Jumpstart Your Day.